Hello, we will be learning how to use that Scratch and how to make people move. So we gotta start out with this, and then we gotta move 4 of the when this key is pressed. And then we're gonna switch it to up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and then left arrow.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Go up to motion, and then you gotta hit for the left arrow. Since left and right need to use the x-axis, you need to go change x by hit -10 and hit enter. And then when the right arrow is pressed, it should be change x by 10. And then when down arrow is pressed, change it by -10 because it's on the y-axis. Then when you hit up arrow, you're gonna not set y, you're gonna hit change y by 10. So then we hit this, and he moves. And that is how we make this.